Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So y'all probably like, what's wrong with her hair? But I'm fixing to show you guys how I do my buns. I'm doing a low side bun, so I'm gonna show you guys that today. And if you see me looking right here, my mirror's right here, so this one like right here. But yeah, so let's just get started. So what I'm first going to start off with is I'm actually going to use water because, I don't know, it just helps me to smooth my hair a little bit better. So I'm going to use a little bit of water. Actually, first I went ahead and part mine, but you can go ahead and part yours. So I went ahead and I parted my hair. This is how my part looks. And so yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Normally, I go in with this Eco Styling Gel, and I'm basically going to do this right here. And I'm gonna hold it over here as well. Just all the way down the part, so the part's kind of like sleek and straight or whatever. But right, so the next thing that I do is I'm taking a brush and I'm basically going to just brush it like the way that it goes, basically. So brush this one this way, brush this way. Right, so now what I do is I create a bang. So my hair is kind of short right here, and I hate when this part sticks up when people have their buns. I hate that. I don't know why. It's just like I don't know, it's like a trigger to my mind. But basically what I'm fixing to do is I'm fixing to go ahead and try to just pull it back into a bun, like pull it back right here. And I'm taking a paddle brush just to gather everything like this. And I just leave this part out so I could do my bang, I guess. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking this. This is my favorite product ever. It's called Style Factor. This is the pineapple one. I really like the pineapple one. I went to the beauty supply and I smelled like all of them, but I really like the pineapple one. So I'm gonna be using the pineapple one. So basically what I do is I take a little bit of this and I'm gonna put it just like right here, because like the Eco Styling Gel, it doesn't hold like this one does, if you get what I'm saying. So I wanted to basically just yeah, do this. So I just do this, lick it down a little bit, and I'm gonna take my brush. I'm gonna take my brush and I'm just going to slick it. Like this, and I try my best not to make it like piecey, if you know what I'm saying. Like some when girls wear those like this, or like, I don't know if you know what I'm saying, but like I try to make it like one bang. I don't know why I said bang, but like this. pieces. I'm gonna just make sure the bang is perfect. Basically like this, and then for this side, I'm just gonna slick it back over here. Sorry for that, but I'm gonna slick it back over here. Okay. Alright, so once we have everything pretty much together, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab everything, and I'm taking a big brush this time, and I'm gonna make sure everything is just together, everything's straight, because we don't want no lumpy buns. So we're gonna go ahead and just put everything basically together. And before I keep going, I went ahead and, well, not went ahead, but before the video, I already had some of the edge booster on this side, so that's probably why you don't see me putting it on this side, and that's why this side looks so slick. It's because I already previously had edge booster on this side, so I didn't want to put too much product on this side. Whatever. So yeah. Alright, so basically what I do now is I'm fixing to take a little hair tie, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in a bun. Well, not a bun. I'm gonna put it on his head for right now. Okay, so I went ahead and I put it in a ponytail. During this time, I just make sure everything is nice and slick and everything is doing good. So I'm gonna take some more edge booster and put it right here, so I can make sure that this part isn't going nowhere, because y'all saw how that part was a little bit short, so I don't want it to stick up during the day or anything. So taking my toothbrush, and yes, I got an electric toothbrush for my edges. People ask me that all the time. They feel like, you got an electric toothbrush for your edges? Yes, I know y'all, but alright. So I go ahead and do that. So we're looking pretty slick. As you can see, little piece sticking out right here, but that's fine. My hair is pretty thin. My hair is pretty thin, so what I like to do is I like to flat iron my hair for like a messy cute bun. I don't want my hair to be poofy and be in a messy bun, because that's like kind of, I don't know, I just don't like that, unless like I'm just like bumming the day. But this one is actually a cute one, so I'm just taking my whole paper brush, taking a flat iron, going through it, boop. And that's all I do, because if I do any more, it'll be like super thin. Like you see right now, like it's thin, but if I keep doing it, it's gonna be super thin. So yeah, so I put this here or whatever. Like I said, my hair is thin, so I like to basically tease it a little bit, because if I don't tease it, it's gonna be like pretty much like a little bitty baby bun, and I'm not trying to have a baby bun, I'm trying to have a cute big messy bun. So I'm teasing, and really the only reason I flat ironed it is because if like there's any like loose ends just still out, I basically like to go ahead and make it messier by pulling a little bit of the ends out. And I want the ends to be like straight, not frizzy. So yeah. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm basically going to wrap it around, you know, wherever, just to try to make the perfect bun. So what we're gonna do is I'm just wrapping it. Then I'll usually take some bobby pins. Just stick it in there. And just place bobby pins, you know, wherever you need them. Now I'm just trying to like pull it apart, kinda. Let's see what's going on back here. From the side is super cute. I can't really see, but hopefully it's cute. Yeah, but anyway. Alrighty, so here's the bun. Super cute, super sweet, whatever. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the edges part. So for me and my edges, I really don't do too much, but I'll show you guys what I do. So what I'm gonna start off with is basically right now my hair it's not going anywhere, like it's just not. So I'm gonna put water in it, my toothbrush, just to get my babies out. So I just pull them down. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm taking again my edge booster, and I'm gonna get a little bit, just a little, because this stuff really does go a long way. And I'm just going to swoop it into the bun. Well, not to the bun, but into the whatever. You all know what I'm trying to say, but And for this part, I literally just put it down like that. Alright, and for the same thing on this side, just pull this one down. Alrighty, so just some finishing touches. I'm fixing to just, you know, put this over here, do this like this. Pull out probably a little bit more hairs. Whoa, that just happened. Let's see, it looks cuter, I guess, you know? You just gotta play with it, play with the messy bun or whatnot. And yeah. Alright, so this is the messy bun. This is my messy bun look, my messy bun hair, whatever you want to call it. This is the bun, side slick bun. So, yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this a thumbs up. Make sure you sub down below, be a new subby or whatever. Thank you guys for so much support on my other videos, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe. I know I just said that, but make sure you subscribe. Just thank you guys for everything. I love you so much. Comment down below more stuff I can do. I'm gonna start posting a little bit more, you know, on top of it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.